Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you love cooking breakfast or hosting brunch, an electric griddle can make it so much easier and tastier. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best electric griddles, carefully selected for their performance, design, durability, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Preseasoned Griddle. The Hamilton Beach Preseasoned Griddle is perfect if you often cook for a crowd. Its roomy 10 by 16-inch cast iron surface gives you plenty of space for pancakes, bacon, burgers, or even veggies. Basically, breakfast, lunch, and dinner are all covered. Made from solid cast iron, it excels at holding and distributing heat evenly. That means no cold spots, no half-cooked edges, and perfectly seared food every time. You can easily adjust the temperature from warm all the way up to 450 degrees F, giving you full control over whatever you're cooking. Since it's pre-seasoned, you won't have to worry about food sticking or spending forever cleaning up afterward. And speaking of cleanup, the removable drip tray catches grease and slides right out for a quick rinse. Or you can just pop it in the dishwasher. It's sturdy, reliable, and built to last, making it an easy pick for families who want something that performs well every single time. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER GD2051B. Next up, the BLACK+DECKER GD2051B, a classic for anyone who loves a big weekend breakfast. This one's large enough to feed up to 8 people at once, which means no more cooking in batches or waiting on your eggs while the pancakes finish. The non-stick cooking surface keeps things moving smoothly. Flip, slide, and serve without any hassle. Its click-and-lock thermostat makes temperature control precise, so your food cooks evenly whether you're making French toast or grilled cheese sandwiches. One really clever feature is the slide-out warming tray underneath. You can keep cooked items warm while finishing the rest, which is a lifesaver if you're juggling multiple dishes. The 1500-watt heating system ensures fast heat up and consistent results, while the removable drip tray takes care of excess grease for a cleaner, healthier cook. It's simple, reliable, and does exactly what it's supposed to do: make breakfast easier and clean up faster. Number 3. GreenLife Removable Electric Griddle. If you prefer something eco-friendly and non-toxic, the GreenLife Removable Electric Griddle is a great fit. It's got a 10.5 by 20-inch cooking surface, giving you plenty of room for multiple servings. And the standout feature here is its ceramic non-stick coating made from natural sand. That coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so you can cook safely without worrying about harmful chemicals. It heats up evenly and delivers great results whether you're making pancakes, searing chicken, or grilling vegetables. The Stay Cool handles are a nice touch, keeping your hands safe even when things get hot. And the removable drip tray catches all the grease, so cleanup is a breeze. You can even remove the cooking plate for an easy rinse in the sink. Durable, practical, and family safe, the GreenLife Griddle brings together modern design and peace of mind for anyone who wants healthier, cleaner cooking without losing performance. Number 4. Presto Slimline Griddle 7072. For those who love big breakfasts but don't have much counter space, the Presto Slimline Griddle 7072 is an excellent option. Its 22 by 13-inch cooking area is one of the largest on the market, yet its slim, low-profile design makes it easy to store when you're done. The ceramic non-stick surface is PFAS-free, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean, while the Control Master Heat system keeps the temperature consistent for perfect results every time. The heavy cast aluminum base holds heat really well, so your food stays hot even after you turn the griddle off. There's also a backstop ledge, which makes flipping pancakes or moving food around much easier, and a slide-out drip tray that collects grease to keep things tidy. Once you remove the heat control, you can actually immerse the entire griddle in water for deep cleaning, something not many models allow. If you want a big cooking surface without losing cabinet space, this one gives you the best of both worlds: size, simplicity, and reliability all in one package. Number 5. Fold and Store Electric Griddle. Rounding out our list, the Fold and Store Electric Griddle is all about smart design and space efficiency. It's perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone who hates cluttered counters. As the name suggests, it folds in half for easy storage, saving up to 50% more space compared to standard griddles. But don't let its size fool you. It still delivers excellent cooking performance. The Evergood ceramic non-stick coating makes cleanup effortless, and like the GreenLife model, it's free from PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. That means safer, healthier cooking for you and your family. A standout feature here is the dual temperature zones. You can cook pancakes on one side while frying bacon on the other, both at different heat levels up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's great for multitasking and getting an entire meal done at once. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric griddles. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more kitchen tech reviews and smart home picks. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks. See you in the next one.